Today in this video, we're going to play with the MadMattr Toolbox. It includes 20 brick building tools. You can build castles and houses and pyramids. Big thank you to Relevant Play for sending us this. Let's open it up and play with these MadMattr.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe. Show off. Thanks for picking me up, Vanellope. I know you're really busy now, racing all those cool races. Don't mention it. Can you take off those glasses, though? I want to see your face. I miss you, man. Okay. Is that better, butt sniffer? Yeah, that's better. Poo-poo head. So, why do we need to see Nose more? Well, I'm looking for a gift for Felix for Christmas, and I figured he'd know what to get. Yeah, you're probably right. Let's ask him. Hey, Nosemore, I'm here to look for toilet. Toilet? No, not a toilet. I'm here to look for a bowl of spaghetti. A bowl of spaghetti? No, I'm here to look for a gift for Race Car Ryan. No, I'm not looking for that. Come on, Nosemore, just listen to us for a minute before we say anything. My suggestions are going out of whack. I'll wait for you. Okay, Felix likes to build things and make things. I'm looking for the best gift for someone who likes to fix things. Best gift for someone who likes to fix stuff. Yeah, you got that, Nosemore? I got it. Searching now. I have come up with the following searches. How about this MadMattr by Relevant Play? It's the Quantum Toolbox. Wow, this is perfect. Felix is gonna love this. He could build so many things and I could smash them and he could build them again. Wow, this is a perfect thing. You are so cool, Nosemore. Well, I do know everything. Be careful going back to the arcade. We gotta lug this back now. Ugh, don't worry, I'll prime it to you. Oh, sweet, thank you. Thanks a lot, Nosemore. All right, let's go back. That was really cool. All right, drop me off at my game. It's almost time to open up the arcade. Oh, Nicelanders, those cookies were delicious. Yes, they really were. Thank you so much. Oh, we're so glad you liked it. We're so sorry that Ralph couldn't come. I wonder where he is. Sure doing something bad, up to no good as usual. No, I'm sure he's okay. Whoa! Well, I don't know if he's up to no good or he's doing something bad, but he is with Vanellope. Oh boy. We're gonna get out of here. The arcade's gonna open up soon. You guys better get to your post. Mr. Lampwight's gonna turn on that switch soon. Well, that's my cue. See you later, honey. Okay, Calhoun, I'll see you later. Hey, Ralph, you better hurry up. We have to go to our post. The arcade's gonna open up soon. Wait a minute, not before my Christmas gift to you. Yeah, you're gonna really like it. We worked really hard to find it. Aw, that's so sweet. How do I get this Prime package? Should be here soon.
Ding dong.
Oh, wow, that was fast. What did you get me, Ralph? This is so thoughtful. 20 brick building tools? Oh my gosh, look at all these tools. Looks like a miter saw, and it looks like a knife to shave down the MadMattr. 5 ounces of red MadMattr and 5 ounces of blue MadMattr. You could press it, mold it, squish it, sculpt it, and build it. This is so thoughtful. Thank you so much, Ralph. Aw, don't mention it, kid. You're so good to me. Well, that's my cue. My game's starting, even though I'm always on. Bye, guys. Bye, Vanellope. I'll see you later. Toodaloo. She's so cool. All right, you better get to your post, everybody. We're going in. Have a good game day, everyone. Goodbye. Ralph, I think we have some time to build some stuff and time for you to wreck it. That's what I'm talking about. This is why I love you, Felix. Let's get started and open it up. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys. I'm with my awesome assistant.
I'm Tubey.
Can you say hello, I'm Tubey?
Hello, I'm Tubey.
Hey guys, today Wreck-It Ralph brought amazing gift for his best pal, Felix Jr. How cool, he brought him the Quantum Toolbox. That features MadMattr. It comes with 20 brick building tools and it's made by our friends at Relevant Play. Thank you so much, Relevant Play, for sending us this amazing toolkit for us to play with. It comes with so many cool things to build. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's open it up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't already, ring that notification bell. Every time we post a new video or host a giveaway, you'll be the first one to get notified. Let's get started. Wow, it comes with a really cool toolbox. you could hold all of your tools in there and your MadMattr. So it comes with 2 colors. It comes with red and blue, which is perfect because you really don't need that many colors to play with. But what's so awesome is that MadMattr comes in a variety of colors. So first we're gonna take out, this is the brick making tool, and we saw this in another video that we made.
Yeah.
This is the ultimate brick maker.
Oh wait, we also did with Wreck-It Ralph.
That's right. So it has the instructions right here. It's so easy to do. So there's a welcome letter. It says it comes with a storage case, 5 ounces of red MadMattr, 5 ounces of blue MadMattr, the ultimate brick maker, a curved ultimate brick maker, 2-sided textured hinge boxes, 1 texture plate that's 6 pieces, and 2 miter boxes, 2-side texture hinge boxes, 1 texture plate, 2 miter boxes, and 1 safe cutting saw and 1 safe cutting tool. Take all these cool pieces out. Wow, look at all this. And here's our MadMattr. So cool. Oh my goodness. Now this is the best part. Here is the MadMattr. So the first thing I'm going to teach you how to use is the super easy ultimate brick maker. You're going to grab a little piece of your MadMattr. I'm going to use blue, and we're going to smush it down, and it has to be thick enough to be able to smush down this part. So it's best to do this. So we're going to smush that part down. Let's make our first brick with the ultimate brick maker. I'm going to just show you how to use the brick maker. I'm going to show you how to use every single tool, and then we're going to do some free play. Because Fix It Felix and Wreck-It Ralph have to open up their game. Yep, the arcade's gonna open up very soon. Okay, so now we have our brick right here. It's nice and smooth. Flatten it out. Cool. And then we're gonna take one part of our ultimate brick maker. This is actually gonna make the shape of the brick. Press it down. Now, don't remove it. You paying attention? Because you're gonna do this yourself. Then we're gonna take the ultimate brick maker. See these little dots right here? Yes. These are your bricks. We're gonna do this and press it down super hard. And then we're gonna lift this part up. And look at this. Isn't that not the coolest, perfect brick ever?
So cool. Can I try? Oh, no.
Not yet. So next, we're gonna go one step further. So now they have this thing that's called a miter box. So what you could do is you could actually cut straight edges, or you can cut corners. Here's one miter box to do the edges, the slanted edges, and then you could do straight edges. So look, so now you're gonna put your brick inside here, and you're gonna take your safety saw, and like magic, you're gonna press it down and saw it out. Watch this. It's like a perfect, look at that. Oh, it's so cool. Look at that perfect size. And look.
They do a little piece of like that and that.
Right, and then you could even do it this way. So you could really build anything you want. It could be totally custom. You're not just limited to just rectangles. Yeah, I forgot one step from the thing. So I'm gonna build another little brick because I forgot to put the holes at the bottom because they're supposed to feed into each other. So let's build another one. And I'll show you how to do angles next. So I'm gonna make another brick, and I'm actually gonna do it the right way. This is the right way to do it. Okay. Press it down, put our brick in. Now, with it still inside, we're gonna pick it up, and we're gonna release it from here. Ready? And it's gonna make the holes, like the embossed holes at the top and the debossed holes at the bottom. Like magic. Look at that. And wait. And they're so sturdy. Look.
The bottom.
And I'm gonna make one more. I'm gonna show you how they feed into each other. Pull up, and you have another perfect brick. And look, the holes at the bottom, and look at that. They go into each other perfectly. Now we're gonna place our perfect brick in this miter box. And we're gonna take our saw, our safety saw, and we're gonna cut at an angle. Wow, look at this. Look, it's a perfect edge. That is too cool. And you can make triangles. I'll show you again. Okay. So now we're gonna press down or cut down right here.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Really cool. And now we have this amazing corner shape. Super cool.
Yeah.
Then we could actually also make curved bricks too. Smush, smush, smush. So we need this piece right here. And this is not even the best part. Yeah, you're gonna make bricks, but you're also gonna do designs on the bricks too. I'm gonna show you that also. And then right when I'm done showing you, you could have so much fun playing. Okay, look, we're gonna press down right here. Press, press, press. We need our curve maker. Oh my gosh, we could make like a roundhouse. Oh my goodness, so cool. Okay, and lift up. Oh, cool. Look how cool that is.
That's so
You could make like a fire pit. You could make a castle. If you just do a bunch of these and piece them all together.
Oh wait, also you could do a couch if you just do like a circle.
Ooh, a circle couch.
Yeah, that's a type of couch.
That's really cool. So now we learned how to cut, we learned how to make bricks, we learned how to make round pieces. Now you can actually make textures to your bricks. Put it like this because this piece at the bottom is supposed to fit perfectly within that piece. So it's a texture maker. Watch what it does to the sides of the brick. So if you apply a little bit of pressure at the sides, oh my gosh, look at that detail that it made. Look.
So cool.
It looks like wood grain. That is so cool.
Yeah.
It looks like wood.
Yeah.
Wow, that is really awesome.
No.
Oh my goodness. And you could do it to the top too. That's how you make the wood thing at the top. All these different designs. Look, that looks like a Greek key design. Ooh, there's like a cobblestone design. Ooh, and look at this one. That looks like metal grate. Ooh, this is tile. Ooh, what's this one? Ooh, this is the other cobblestone. This is so cool.
I know.
OMG. Okay, I'm just gonna make one more brick so I could do like a full design. I'm gonna make like a full wooden brick. Or slab. You could make like a whole slab. Oh my god, this is so cool. The texture plate. You have to put it in the texture box. Ah. Wow, look how cool.
So cool.
That is really cool. Now we're gonna put it right here and we're gonna smush it on the sides to give it a real look to it, like a real effect. This is so simple and so easy to use.
No.
You ready to play with it?
Yes.
Oh, he's totally ready. All right, guys, we hope you like this tutorial. If you want more information, make sure you check out my description below that has all the retail information. Go visit relevantplay.com to learn more about MadMattr and all of the cool accessories and playsets. All right, Marcello, help me build the most epic house, but we have to do it super fast because the arcade's gonna open. All right, let's go. Let's get started. I have my friends Fun Bun and Kitty over here. They're gonna help us too, okay? All right, so we're gonna make some bricks. Let's go. Wow, Marcello, look at all of these bricks that you made. Yeah, you did a really good job in such a short amount of time. You did a really good job, Marcello. I'm super proud of you. You made metal bricks, you made cobblestone, you made Greek key bricks, you made cobblestone, you made tile, you made all these cool ones. Now you're gonna build a house?
Yeah.
All right, have fun. This is really nice, kid, but I'm gonna have to smash it now because we have to open up the arcade. Yeah, I'm sorry, buddy. I wish I could fix it for you too, but he's right. The arcade's gonna open up any minute. You wanna help me smash it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Oh, good job. Let me go in there. Ready? Ah! Keep smashing. Ah! I love smashing stuff. Ah!
Whoa. Smash. Chop. shop. Kitty milkshake! Kitty milkshake! Kitty, 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 kitty milkshake! Bunny pancake! Bunny pancake! Bunny pancake! Yay! Come on, Felix, have some fun. I don't know, it feels kind of like beach sand. It's fun sand. Guys, look what I made. Oh, sorry, guys. Now I'm gonna smash. 1, 2, 3, smash. Yes, it'll make a different color. I wish you a Merry Christmas, guys. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. And some Happy New Year. Our foot. Let's try to hear our footprint. Whoa, that really blew just like me. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ow.